This video is about Session 6 Manage Workbook Views. Excel provides us the different views to see the spreadsheet differently. Besides switching to the different views, we can also customize the spreadsheet view to suit our requirement. Let us discuss these views. Our first view is Normal View. This is the default view of the Excel worksheet commonly used to build the spreadsheet. You can switch to the normal view by clicking on the normal button on the workbook view in the view tab, or by clicking on the normal button on the status bar. On the status bar we have normal button, page layout button and page break preview. Click on the normal and you can move to the normal view. Second option we have page layout view. In the session 5 we have learned about page layout view. How can we set page margins, page border, page orientation. This view gives the exact image of the worksheet as it would appear on printing. You can get an idea of how the pages are laid out. In page layout view you have also an access to the header and footers, which you will not see in the normal view. Header and footer. Now let me see how can we switch to the page layout view. On the view tab, the workbook view group, we have page layout option. Click on it, or from the status bar you can click on the page layout option and move to the page layout view. Third one we have page break preview view. This view is useful in viewing the position of all the pages. It also give you the control in the determining the page break position. If we have more than one pages, we can use page break preview view. You can adjust the page breaks as per your requirement, that we have learned in the session 4. And let me see how can we move to the page break preview view. On the view tab, move to the workbook view, and here we have option page break preview, or from the status bar we have page break preview. Click on it. Here you can see that page 1, page 2 and so on. So in this way we can use page break preview view. Next one we have full screen. This view eliminates the ribbon and the status bar and allow you to view the spreadsheet in full screen mode. Now let me see how can we switch to the full screen view. On the view tab, workbook view, and click on the full screen. Now if you want to exit the full screen view, click on the escape key from your keyboard. So this is our full screen view. Next one we have custom views. Excel also allows you to customize different display settings such as cell selections, filter settings, etc., and print settings such as page setting, margin, etc., as per the requirement for a worksheet. You can also include a specific print area in a custom view. Now let me see how can we create custom view. Now specify and set the display and print setting that you want to save in the custom view. First of all we will move to the normal view. Now if I want to only this much data in the custom view, first of all we can select that data, then move to the view tab and custom view. Here we have for options show, close, end and delete. Click on add I will give the name my view and click on OK. So in this way we can create the customized view. Now how can we apply custom view? Click on the custom view option present in the workbook view group on the view tab. Custom view, and now from show option view, we have different views that we have created. We have create my view, click on it and show. Now we are in normal view, click on the view tab, go to the custom view, and in views my view, click on it and show. So that much area will be visible to the screen that we had selected in the custom view. So in this way we can work on the different workbook views. So this is our session 6, manage workbook views.